How's it going, musicians? Christopher from the Musicians Corner, bringing you guys a new video, just a small tutorial on a little lick I like to do for shouting music. It's going to be in the key of C sharp. Okay. I do apologize for my absence on bringing videos to you guys for the channel. I've been doing a lot of things as far as, producing, making beats, which I also do as well. As far as, and also practicing, trying to better in my craft and being busy with work and a lot of other things. But do apologize. I'm trying to get better at making videos, even if it's just not me. Just if I encounter other musicians, great musicians to record and just to learn from, I try to record them and put them on the channel as well. But without further ado, we're going to go straight into it. It's just, like I said, it's a small tutorial, just a little lick I like to do. It's nothing simple. A lot of you advanced musicians can pick up on it pretty easy. But for my beginner musicians, this will be something cool that you guys can do. The lick is as follows, if you just follow along with me. So to get started, in the bass, we're going to go to the 4, 4 to the 3, 4 to the 3, 4, flat 5, then a 5. So 4, 3, 4, flat 5, 5, flat 6, then a 6. Alright, so as you can see, this is F sharp, F, back to the F sharp, G, A flat, A, and B flat. All right. In the left hand, we're gonna hit the 4 chord. So that's 4 F sharp major. We're gonna go to F4 1 4. So F sharp major. Then you have your C sharp major, which is your 1 major. So play that together. All right. Next, you're gonna have your 1 diminished flat 5, and in the left hand we're going to play G. All right, you see that? So your 1 diminished flat 5 is E, G, B flat, and C sharp. Next, we're going to go to the 5. You can either hit the 5 or you can hit A flat, the 5 in your left hand, or sometimes I'll mess around and just hit E flat, which is 2, your 5 and your 1. All right, but if you wanted to, bring that sound out more, you could just hit the 5. And that 5 is A flat, E flat, and C. But I'm just playing an inverted 5 chord. Alright. Next, once you go from your 5, next you're going to hit your flat 6, which is your A. And in your right hand, you're going to hit your C diminished flat 5. That's going to include your 2, 4, flat 6, and 7. So playing that together. Next is 6, which is a B flat. And also, if you don't want to hit that 6 diminished flat 5 chord, or just 6 diminished, what you can also do is just skip this C and just play 1. So you can go. And just hit your 2, 4, flat 6, and 1. And it goes straight to the 6, which includes your F, B flat, and C sharp. But to play it all together, this is how it goes. Alright, and that little lick is just your just hitting your 1 and bouncing off your 5 and your 6. mess that up. Alright, and then the other videos in the other previous videos that I made a few years ago, that little lick is just, so you go to your 3, in your left hand 1, 4, diminished, 1 diminished flat 5, back to the 1, and then you have your 6 major, and just walk up. Okay, and that's just a little lick that I like to do, just to kind of, when you feel the, you feel the Spirit moving around in the church, and you can kind of hear the pastor, he's preaching, and you can kind of feel this, like I said, you can feel the Spirit moving. It's something you can kind of do to kind of get people to, just get ready to get them in the mood to praise, and in the mood to shout. So you can just go, you can just plan, you just go. Nothing too difficult. It's something simple, but it's very jazzy and groovy, and just kind of move the service along. I hope this video helped you guys out. I will be doing a lot more videos, and I promise I will begin coming back with more videos, tutorials, and different other things for you guys for the channel. I appreciate you guys. We are at 1,100 subscribers, so I appreciate everything, and I appreciate all support. And I'll catch you guys next time on the tutorial. Peace.